How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. I'm glad you're here. In this episode we're gonna go ahead and fabricate a cart for my forge and for my propane tank. Currently, every time I need to forge, I set my forge and propane on the table saw and it was working alright, but it's not the way it should be. So I have this little simple design, and basically it's gonna be 3 shelves. First shelf is gonna be for tank, then it's gonna be just a shelf for random stuff. I plan on maybe putting my container with quenching oil, maybe container with borax in here, something like that, miscellaneous. And top is gonna be for forge, and we're gonna put the whole thing on casters. Okay, without further ado, let's go get to cutting. That took quite a while, but we have all our parts cut. These are obviously my uprights. These are gonna be stoppers for the shelves, casters. These 3 angle irons gonna be support under shelf. These angle irons will hold the shelves. So we can start by assembling shelves actually. So that's how shelf will look like. Alright guys, we got our all 3 shelves assembled. Reinforcement on this one. I didn't put reinforcement on middle shelf because I'm not gonna load anything crazy on it, so that's gonna stay like it is. It's pretty rigid on its own. We can probably start assembling. Right on. Let's put it on the wheels. Haha. What do you guys think? Lock it. Oh yeah. deadly. Start loading it. Man, that's a nice height. Wow. Yeah, most likely I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it to the shelf. I think we should fire it up. Do you guys agree? Alright guys, so after fighting with this bar for a little bit, that's what I got. It sort of fits in those holes, but it's really tight. And after I was thinking for a little bit, I don't think I want to have this bar temporarily, because it may be in a way for forging something else. I went ahead and I cut a couple inches of this larger tubing. We're gonna weld it like so, and we'll be able to put and take off that bar with ease. Alright guys, I clamped down those pieces, made sure everything fits. Let's set those welds. Right on. Let's say we have something on the stick. Install this beautiful rack into the forge. Close the doors, everything heating up beautifully. We're done. Remove it, and then nothing in the way. So I went ahead and fabricated one more small shelf, and it's gonna go on the side of our cart on the hinge. I'm not exactly sure how that happened. It's like almost an inch here, 3/4 and a half inch there. That's how it's gonna stay, guys. I'm not going to redo it. I made this simple deadbolt. We're gonna weld it like so, and would be able to keep it closed. Yeah, this is super thin metal and there was a lot of movement, but I kinda got it. I had to grind my pin though, but it goes in and goes out now. We can go ahead and weld both chains here first, one here, one there. Let's see how that goes. Now is the tricky part. How to weld it to the top. I guess I can use my C-clamp. Holding pretty good, so now I can tuck it and then finish the weld and do like that on both sides. Let's see if it will work as I was planning. Look at that. Close, open. Alright guys, this forge cart is ready. I really like how it turned out. I don't know if you noticed, but I already put 30-pound tank and it fits perfect. Also I had this piece of pipe or whatever, and that's gonna be a perfect seat for my little torch. What else I did? I welded 2 hooks in front of it, and I can hang my crescent wrench to twist hot metal. On this side I got wire brush. Here I got my oil, kerosene and borax. And let's say we're forging, we pop this up, we take our borax, put it here, boom, forge is running. You can easily stand here, open the lid and get your borax. Then you're done, close this up, put borax back, boom. Haha! Nice and mobile. Yeah, so this kerosene probably should get out of here. We put it on bottom shelf. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. Thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. I hope that I could keep you entertained. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for this one, and I will see you in next one. Bye now!